Okay, here we're going to see about shell sort. SHELL SORT. Shell sort. So let me say clearly what will be in the shell sort. It uses insertion sort. As we discussed before, it will use the insertion sort. And second one, it will use interval. Two things will be used here. One is interval, other one is insertion sort. First, we will see what is interval. Interval may be 1 or 2 or 3 or 4, so on. Okay? Insertion sort means, as we have seen, it will insert the element wherever it required. It will compare with the element and it will insert. Compare, insert, compare, insert. Okay? So now let me work with the example and try to understand how it will work, the shell sort. Now assume that in an array we have elements 35, 33, 42, 10, 14, 19, 27, 44. This is the elements we have in the array. We need to sort these elements. So now for example, take as interval as 5. How much is interval? Take as 4.
Sir, I have one doubt, sir.
After finishing this, let me complete it out.
Oh, okay, sir.
So this is the elements we have in an array. We need to sort this element. Now I am using the concept of interval. Interval is 4. Now this is the 1. Count from here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. So here this is the 4. Okay. Next, you assume that these two are in same. Put as 1, 1. Interval is 4. Put as 1, 1, same. Now I am taking this as 2 and 19 as 2. This as 3. This as 3. This as 4. This as 4. The interval is 4 only. 4 means 4th position. From here to 4. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1 in one level. I am taking this as 1. As interval is the 4. Now what I am doing here is I am comparing both the elements 1 and 1, 35 and 14. So 14 is lesser than 35. So I have compared. Then you swap the element. So I am swapping. 14 will be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 elements is there, right? Seven. So 33, 42, 35. Now what I am doing here, I am swapping 35 and 14. First I have compared. 14 is lesser, so I am putting in front and I compared. Second one now. 33 and 19. Again I compare 33 and 19. Now swapping. 19 will be here. 33 will be here. Then 42. 27. So 27 will be here. 42 will be here. Am I right? And next then 10. 10 will be here. And then I am putting the, see, when I am comparing with 44 and 10, no need of swapping. So I am remaining the elements like this. This is how the element looks when with interval 4. So I have taken the interval 4 and I have compared the elements, and then after comparing, what we have done, we have swapped based upon the order. Now again, for this element, I am taking the interval 1 because these elements are not in the order. Now let me take the interval. How much? Interval 1. 1 means this is 1. Okay, 14 and 27, and then I'm leaving 1 and taking here interval 1. Now this is taking as 2. Done. And then 35 as 3. I'm leaving 1. I'm taking here. And this as 4. This as 4. Now what I'm doing here? Now again compare. If required, swap. So 1 1 14 27. No changes required. So 14 27. And then 19 and 10. What we do? 10, 19, and then 35 and 42. 35, 42. No changes, right? 35 and 42. Next, 33 and 44. No changes. Now you check it out. So still the elements are not in the swapping order. So now you follow the insertion sort. So when compared with 14 and 10, I am inserting 10 here. 10, 14. You got it? What is the insertion sort? Two things will be there: sorted and unsorted. Sorted, unsorted. So take the element here and put here. 14. Then what are the elements? 14, 10, 27, 19, 35, 33, 42, 44. So I am taking the 14, I placed here. Second time I have taken the 10. I want to put here, so 10 and 14. Next, 27. I compared here, so 10, 14, 27. Next 19. Then it will be 10, 14, 19, 27. Next 35. So 10, 14, 19, 27, 35. Next I am taking 33. 33, right? So now what will be the array? 10, 14, 19, 27, 33, 35. I am inserting the element wherever required. Next 42. Automatically 42 will be here, 44 will be here. Now these elements are in the sorting order. This is how we will perform the shell sort. Shell sort. Shell sort means we have two things. One is the interval, another one is the insertion sort. First we will go for the intervals and then we will do the insertion sort. Okay. Now why we need to go for this technique? Why means in the insertion sort. In the insertion sort, for example, the element may be 1 here. At last 10, 14, 19, 27, 33, 35, 42. If this is the array means, if you want to place the number 1 in this position means it takes lot of comparisons. 1 should be replaced in 42, then here, here.
Process 5, sir.
Yeah, the swapping will be very, very high. Instead of removing that thing, we go for this shell sorting, because we dividing this into the subarrays. We dividing that into the subarrays and we swapping in the subarrays, and automatically the time will be reduced here. That's why we need to go for this shell sort. So with the interval, we will dividing the whole array into subarray. After dividing the whole array into subarray, automatically we can able to do the insertion sort. Like that, we can able to reduce the time. That is a shell sort.